Today I discuss about the atomic structure of Aufbau principle of class 11, and the principle says the electron fill atomic orbitals of the lowest available energy level before occupying higher level. What does it mean? When we fill electron, then we first fill 1s orbital, 1s suborbit, then 2s, then followed by 2p, 3s. But when we fill up the electron, we remember it by diagrammatically. The principle stands for the electron fill up. This is the Aufbau principle, and the principle says electron fill atomic orbitals of lowest available energy before occupying higher level. But how can we know which one has lowest energy level and which one has a higher energy state? This is known by the two statement of the Aufbau principle. One is the suborbit which has lower n plus L value, it has low energy. And second statement, for same n plus L value of two suborbit which has smaller n value has lower energy. But from where we get the n value and where we get the L value, and what is the n and what is the L? This is discuss here. The orbit denoted by K, L, M, N. This represent by the value of the orbit represent by n, and the value of the n for K is 1, for L it is 2, for M it is 3, for N it is 4, and the value of the suborbit represented by L. As the value of the orbit represented by n, the value of the suborbit represented by L. The value of the suborbit for S is 0, for P it is 1, for D it is 2, for A it is 3. So the value of the N and L for 1s suborbit, this is 1 is denote the 1 is for orbit and S for suborbit, and the value of the S suborbit, the L for the suborbit is 0. So n is 1 and L is 0, so n plus L is 1, and for 2s it is 2 and 0, so it is 2. Now we can say the n plus L is lower for 1s, so it filled by electron first, then followed by 2s, because it has higher n plus L value than 1s. So 1s fill by electron first, then followed by 2s. And in case of 3d and 4s, the 3d has n value 3 and L value is 2. Notice that for D L is 2 and D for 3d n plus L value is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5, and for 4s this is n is 4 and L is 0, so 4 plus 0 is 4. So as n plus L of 4s is 4, and for 3d it is 5, so lower energy state is 4s, so the 4s fill first by then 3d. So in this diagram you can see again the 4s of 4s suborbit fill first, then followed by 3d. This is discussed by the n plus L value. Thank you.